You know, I consider myself to be a pretty handy guy around the house. Something breaks, our kitchen sink gets clogged, I can fix that. But for anything technical, like electrical, if I mess with that, I'm gonna burn the house down. Every time I'm gonna bring in professionals for that type of service. The moving and storage industry is not all that different. Everyday corporate movers, they're very good at what they do. But for that handful of moves, that C-level executive, VIP shipment, the boss's boss move, those transferees and their families, they need something different. That's why we created Executive Class. We specialize in a series of unique, unprecedented services that are designed to cater to the most discriminating executive and deliver best-in-class services to the trailing family. Unfortunately, there are inherent risks that surround the relocation process, and there are specific shipments, whether that be by title or importance to an organization, that if things go wrong with these types of moves, it can create a whole different kind of light that shines on that relocation department. We get it. We provide stress-free relocation services for your executive and their family, making life easier on you.
Hi, I'm Derek Bellamy, pack and load driver for Beltman Executive Class. We believe everything revolves around the customer.
In business, results are everything. For the past decade, Executive Class has been an independently rated #1 quality moving company in all of North American van lines. Here at Executive Class, we're all about proof, not promises.